Hey you guys, if you would like to see how I got this bomb and define washing gum, then just keep watching this video. So hey y'all, to start off this look today, this is what I'm starting off with. I did wash my hair with this Color Me Happy shampoo and conditioner by Herbal Essences. But to get started with this look, I am going to start to part my hair off the top half and just make sure the part is pretty straight. And then once I get that done, I'm going to tie up the back. Once the back is tied up, I'm going to take my spray bottle and start to dampen this top half of my hair. And then once I get that pretty dampened, I'm going to go in with my paddle brush and lightly detangle. So to moisturize this section, I'm going to go in with the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine conditioner by Shea Moisture, and just take a little bit of that and start to smooth that on. And then I'm going to take this Frosted Sugar Cookie conditioner by OGX and take a pretty decent amount of that as well and just spread that over this section. And lastly, y'all know I like to seal in my moisture with any oil. I'm using this oil mix that I've been using, and I'm just going to coat my hair with that. And then I'm going to take my paddle brush and do a last quick detangle. Then I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and start to smooth my hair up. And then once I do that, I'm going to take a bit of gel and apply that, and then go in with my hard bristle brush again to get it into place. Once I get my ponytail into place, I'm going to take this ponytail holder and wrap it around 5 to 6 times because I wanted it to be pretty sturdy and secure. So now that I'm done with the top, I'm going to start on the back. I'm going to split my whole back section into half, and just start from here. I'm going to spritz both halves with water and detangle both halves. So this is how it looks with both sides pretty detangled. I'm doing a last minute finger detangle just to make sure I got all the little kinks and knots. And then I'm going to take that Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus conditioner and start to apply that to my hair. If you didn't know, I do like to use those because they're super moisturizing in my opinion. I've heard different opinions about Shea Moisture conditioners, and I like them and I use them as leave-ins. So that's another reason why I'm using it. But yeah, just apply it all over. Before I apply my second product, I do like to go in and just detangle one more time to make sure I'm good, and to also start clumping my curls together and getting that definition right. And now I'm going to go in with the OGX conditioner, the Frosted Sugar Cookie conditioner, and start applying that. I apply a generous amount, and yeah. This right here is me pretty much trying to get rid of that middle part I got while applying my product. So I'm just kind of lightly finger detangling that into place. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the OGX conditioner and apply that just to make sure, it's still moisturized and I didn't add unnecessary frizz. And lastly, again, I'm going to go in with my little oil mix and just apply that all over to seal in my moisture. I'm going to go in with my gel and my toothbrush and lay my edges. Y'all know I say this every video. I typically do a swoop motion when laying my edges. That's the only way I know how to explain it. But yeah, I'm just going to be quiet and let you watch me do it. Now I'm going to go in with the slightest bit of product and apply that to my roots, like around the ponytail, because I don't want my hair to be super frizzy right there. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair. It's still wet, clearly. I'm actually sitting in my bed, if you couldn't notice, so I can't really do a turnaround. And it's almost 7, like a minute to 7. I have 8 o'clock and I need to start getting ready. So what I'm going to do is let this air dry. I'm going to come back when it's completely dry. I really like it. I've never done a part like this before. You know, a lot of people, when they do half up, half downs, they leave the sides out like that. And I can see why. It's cute. It's cute. I kind of like it tucked behind my ear though. That's just my thing that I've been doing lately, and I like the way that looks on me. My hair looks really cute. It's really defined. It got a nice shine to it. Super cute. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. And yeah, I'm about to start getting ready. Okay, you guys, so this is my final results. My hair is dry. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's literally like super defined. And again, all I used, like y'all saw, was this coconut hibiscus conditioner and this OGX conditioner. That's all I used on my hair, and I got these bomb results. So yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.